This firm is not a mill. Clients are individuals and they are treated as people, which is different from a lot of firms that do the type of work that we do, is they will try and move the massive number of cases that they possibly can handle. We don't do that. We take good cases, work them diligently for our clients, and deliver the best results available.
From the very first phone call with our firm, you're speaking with an attorney, and that is not the case with most firms. The reason that you speak with an attorney from the beginning is because the clients, the future clients, are important, and the attorney really needs to get in touch and understand what the client is going through, ask the right questions, and get the real information.
And so all of us end up taking those phone calls, then we try to gather information on the cases we think have significant merit and present them in a conference setting where people talk about the strengths and weaknesses of the case, so that if we decide to take the case, the client knows why we think their case has merit. And if we end up turning down the case, the client knows that it's been thoroughly analyzed and we're not just passing them off to some other attorney.
Our firm standard is that we are meticulous in evaluating, researching, and making a determination of whether someone should or should not bring a lawsuit. One of the things that I think that we're best at is listening, but we also spend an inordinate amount of time evaluating cases to make sure that we don't make the same mistake that a doctor's made, or a driver of a car, or a hospital, or an automobile company, and that we don't overlook something that shouldn't be overlooked.
We have, I think, a much deeper understanding of both the law and the medicine than most firms do. And so for the type of work we do, I mean, we're able to really attack a case both from having some of the smartest legal minds in any firm, combined with a really deep understanding of the medicine.
Because we have done so many cases and in so many different states, we have vast knowledge and experience that you really can't teach someone.
What this firm has done very differently from other places is not lost the ability to do the work before a case, to do medical research, legal research, factual research, and be ready to file good cases all the time. It's very hard to do, and it's very hard to do well, but this firm has mastered that.
I always say if I had my own, or someone in my family had their own personal injury case, I would bring it here.
Everything about this firm is focused on how do we take care of our clients? How do we give them a shot at justice?
Changing someone's life for the better when you know that otherwise, without the firm and without the support of the firm and the tenacious attorneys in this firm, that the little guy can get swept aside. I don't like to see people get bullied.
I helped a family whose mother was injured in a very tragic car crash. And for the most part, the insurance company did not want to pay on the claim. And we didn't take no for an answer. Discovered new documents, interviewed a lot of witnesses, and in the end, we were able to get her a very good settlement to handle her permanent injury and to take care of her young family.
The consequence of any one of these cases has an effect nationwide. When a healthcare provider is held responsible for their conduct, and it's recognized that what they did deviated from medical rules, from medical standards, when drug companies are held responsible, when automobile companies are held responsible for not doing the right thing and recognizing safety flaws, that problem resonates through the community and through the country. And it makes people change their behavior. And as long as I can have that effect, as long as this firm has that effect, we will continue to do this.